Okay, this is the second video. In that second video also I am going to do some multiplication and product I am going to show you on polynomial, and I have taken 3 questions over here, question number 25, 27 and 35. Okay, so the first question is 2x minus 3, 5x plus 3. So when you like multiplication, I have already explained you in the last videos. The same procedure I need to follow it over here. The problem comes only when it is a negative sign, so you, in that case, you need to be careful. Okay, like over here inside the first parenthesis, this term is with negative, so when you will be operating with negative sign, that you need to be careful. So we see this question. Okay, first I am going to write the first term and this whole term. Okay, then I am going to write negative and then the whole term. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to operate this 2x on each term when you open the parenthesis. Okay, so that's going to be 2x times 5x, then 2x times 3. Okay, when you are operating negative 3, what happened actually, the sign inside the parenthesis, the term which is term are having, get change. If it is positive, become negative. If it is negative, become positive. So I am going to do this 5x is with the positive sign, so I am going to write 5x, and this negative 3 I am going to write in. Okay, now I am going to write positive 3 which is inside the parenthesis, and then I write by which we are operating, so that's a negative 3. Okay, now here number gets separated out and multiply. So 2 times 5 is going to be 10. X times x is going to be x square. I hope so it is clear for you, because x power 1 and x power 1. So in multiplication of algebraic term, the power gets added, so x to the power 2. Here 2x times 3, so 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, here this is positive 5 and this is negative 3. So positive times negative, when you multiply, positive times negative is negative, so negative sign is going to be negative. Can you see over here, 5x was positive and I am multiplying with negative, so the sign of this 5x will get changed and that is going to become negative. So whenever you are operating with negative, inside the parenthesis, whatever the sign the terms are carrying, those sign will get changed. If it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, then will become positive. Okay, so 5 times negative 3 is negative, and that's going to be negative 15x. And the similar way over here, negative positive 3 times negative 3, that's going to be negative 9. Correct. So 10x square, and here is positive 6 and negative 15. So first you need to subtract, because one is positive, one is negative. So first we need to subtract, and the sign, the left out part which we will be writing, that will be of the greater quantity. So 15 minus 6 is going to be 9, and the greater quantity is this, and this quantity part will be leaving out, so that's going to be negative 9x and negative 9 this. So this how we have finished with question number 25. Now I am going to do question number 27. Over here also the negative sign is there, so like it will be a practice for you. I am going to writing way will be the same. Okay, negative 4, then 3x square minus 7. Okay, now I am going to operate. When you operate this, 5x square times 3x square, 5x square times 7. Now I am going to operate with negative sign. So first I will write these term, that's a positive, and that's going to be operate with negative 4. Okay, and negative 7, this is negative 7, and also going to be operated with negative. Okay, this is 5 times 3 is 15, it's going to be x to the power 4. Here 7 times 5 is 35 x square. Here positive 3 times negative is going to be negative. This is negative times negative is positive. Okay, now 15x to the power 4, negative gets added, plus 28. So this how I think, so it will be clear for you now. Now one more question, that is question number 35. Here this number 5. Okay, so 5 is going to be get distributed on 5 plus 7x and negative 7x on 5 plus 7x. Okay, now when you open the parenthesis, that's going to be 5 times 5, 5 times 7x. Okay, here is getting operated with negative, so first I'll write the term inside the parenthesis, so that's a positive 5, and getting operated with negative 7, and then 7x and getting operated with negative 7x, correct? Okay, now 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 5 is 35x, that's going to be positive 5, negative 7, so negative 35, and that's going to be negative 49, and x times x is going to be x squared, correct? This is positive 35, that's negative 35 cancel out, so the answer is going to be 25 minus 49 x squared. So that's how we have finished with 3 questions, and for practice you can do the more questions from the textbook and come out with the problems, which problems you are facing particularly, so I can upload the video, I can send you the solution, I can guide you on particular questions. So don't be hesitant in reaching me out, because until unless you don't come with your problem, you will not be learning. So please come out. Thank you.